Good morning students. We are going to continue chapter 5 and let us start exercise 5.2. In exercise 5.2 we will find the nth term of an AP. Okay. If A is first term of an AP and common difference is D, then AP will be A plus D, A plus 2D. So therefore its nth term will be A plus n minus 1 into D. Means general term, we can say general term of the AP represented by an equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is first term, n is number of terms, D is common difference, and an is nth term. Clear? So now exercise 5.1, question number first. Fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term, D the common difference and an the nth term of the AP. So first is A7, D3 and 8, an we have to find. So number 1, an equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 7, n is 8 and D is 3. So 7 plus 7 into 3, 7 plus 21, that is 28. Okay. Number second, A is minus 18, D we have to find, n is 10 and an is 0. An equals to 0. So A plus n minus 1 into D equals to 0. A is minus 18, n is 10, D we have to find and an is 0. Minus 18 शिफ्ट करें तो 10 में से 1 लेस करेंगे 9D, माइनस 18 उधर जाके प्लस 18, D इक्वल्स टू 18 अपॉन 9, तो D इक्वल्स टू 2. क्लियर? नाउ नंबर पार्ट थर्ड. A फाइंड करना है, D माइनस 3 है, N 18 है और An is equals to minus 5. An equals to minus 5. It means nth term is minus 5. So A plus n minus 1 into D equals to minus 5. A find करना है, D is 18 and n is 18, D is minus 3 equals to minus 5. So 18 minus 1 17, 17 into minus 3 minus 51 equals to minus 5. शिफ्ट करेंगे तो minus 5 plus 51 equals to 46. A equals to 46. A is 18.9, D is 2.5 and we have to find, and an is 3.6. An equals to 3.6. So A is minus 18.9 plus n minus 1, and we have to find D is 2.5 equals to an is 3.6. ओके, तो 18.9 को शिफ्ट करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा n माइनस 1 इंटू 2.5 इक्वल्स टू 3.6 प्लस 18.9. n माइनस 1 इक्वल्स टू 3.6 और 18.9 22.5. 2.5 को शिफ्ट किया 2.5 अपोल में आ गया तो n माइनस 1 इक्वल्स टू 2.5. पॉइंट से पॉइंट कैंसिल, 25 बन जाए 25, 9 जाए 225 तो 9 आ जाएगा. n इक्वल्स टू 9 प्लस 1 सो n इक्वल्स टू 10. ओके, नाउ लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, नंबर 5. a equals to 3.5, d equals to 0, n equals to 105. So then an equals to, an will be, so an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. a is 3.5, n is 105 minus 1, d is 0. So an equals to 3.5 plus 104 into 0, 104 into 0. So an equals to 3.5 plus 0. So an equals to 3.5. Clear? Now question number 2. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. First is 30th term of the AP 10, 7, 4 and so on is, एक AP given है. Number 1, AP is 10, 7, 4. We have to find its 30th term. Okay, so A is 10 and common difference D is 7 minus 10 minus 3. So A 30 equals to A plus 29D. A is 10, 29, D is minus 3. So 10 minus 87, 29 into 3, 87. So 10 minus 87 is 77. And option C is correct option. Okay. Now part 2. Minus 3 minus 1 by 2 and 2. 11th term. We have to find its 11th term. So A is minus 3 and D is minus 1 by 2 minus minus 3. So minus 1 by 2 plus 3. 2 is LCM, minus 1 plus 6, that is 5 upon 2. Okay. So A 11, A plus tan D. Okay. Or we can use the formula an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is 11, 11 minus 1, 10. So a plus 10 d. A is minus 3, d is 5 upon 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10, minus 3, 5 5 is 25. 25 minus 3 is 22. So correct, the B option is correct. Clear? These are the APs and we have to find missing term of these APs. 2, 26. Suppose this is A1, this is A2, this is A3. So A1 means A is 2. A3 means A plus 2D is 26. Okay. So placing the value of A, or 2 plus 2D equals to 26. So 2D equals to 26 minus 2. 2D equals to 24. So D equals to 24 upon 2. D is 12. D is 12. Now A2. A2 equals to A plus D. a plus d. A plus d means a is 2, d is 12. So 12 to 14. 14 answer. Now part 2. This is A1, A2, A3 and A4. The missing terms are A1 and A3. So A2, let us start with A2 is A plus D is 13. This is equation 1. And A4 is A plus 3D equals to 3. This is 3. This is equation number 2. By elimination method, subtracting the equation 1, equation 2 from equation 1. Cancel. Minus 2d equals to 13 minus 3, 10. So d equals to 10 upon minus 2. This is minus 5. We can write here using elimination method. Okay, so d equals to minus 5. Placing d equals to minus 5 in equation 1. So a is as it is, d is minus 5 and a is equals to 13. So a equals to 13 plus 5, a is 18. Now a1 is a is 18, missing terms are and A3 is A2 plus D. A2 में अगर कॉमन डिफरेंस ऐड कर दें तो ये क्या आ जाएगा, A3 आ जाएगा. A2 is 13 and D is minus 5. So 13 minus 5 is 8. This is your answer. The first term is 18 and the third term is 8. Clear? Now part 3rd. Now part 3rd is 5 and fourth term is 9.5. A1 equals to A equals to 5. A4 A plus 3D equals to 9.5. Placing 5 plus 3D equals to 9 to the 18 19 upon 2. So 3D equals to 19 upon 2 minus 5. 3D equals to, take 2 LCM, 19 minus 10. So 19 minus 10 is 9 upon 2. So D equals to 9 upon 2. Shift करें 3 upon में, 3 1 जा 3 and 3 3 जा 9. So 3 upon 2. D is 3 upon 2. Now A2 equals to A plus D. A2 we have to find second term. So A2 equals to A plus D. A is 5 and D is 3 upon 2. 10 plus 3, 13 upon 2. That is 6.5. And A3, A2 plus D. So 13 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2. 13 plus 3, 16 upon 2. 16 upon 2 is 8. So A2 is 6.5 and A3 is 8. Clear? Now fourth part, minus 4 and four terms are missing and sixth term is 6. A1 it means A is minus 4 and A6 it means A plus 5D is 6. This is 6. Placing A equals to minus 4 in this equation, minus 4 plus 5D equals to 6. So 5D equals to 6 plus 4. Minus 4 को शिफ्ट करेंगे प्लस 4, तो 5D equals to 10. So D equals to 10 upon 5, that is 2. Okay, now missing terms are A2. A2 means A plus D minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. A3 A2 plus D. A2 is minus 2 and D is 2. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel, 0. A4 A3 plus D. A3 is 0 and D is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. A5 means A4 plus D. A4 is 2 and D is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. I think clear. Now last part. A2, this is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and A6. A2 equals to A plus D is 38. This is equation 1. A6, A plus 5D minus 22. This is equation 2. Using elimination method, minus minus plus cancel, minus 4D equals to 60. So D equals to 60 upon minus 4, minus 15. Okay. Now placing the value of A in equation 1, value of D in equation 1. A and D is minus 15 equals to 38. So A equals to 38 plus 15. This is 53. A1 missing terms are A1 is 53. A3 A2 plus D. A2 is 38, D is 15 minus K. This is 23. A4 A3 plus D. A3 is 23, D is 15 minus. So this is 8. A5 means A3 A4 plus D. A4 is 8 and D is minus 15. This is minus 7. Okay, missing terms. First is 53, third is 23, fourth is 8 and fifth is minus 7. Okay. Now question number 4. Which term of the AP AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78. Which term of the AP? It means we have to find number of terms in this AP. So the AP is 3, 8, 13, 18. A is 3, D is 8 minus 3 is 5, and nth term, suppose nth term is 78, so an is 78. So a plus n minus 1 into d is 78. So a is 3 and we have to find d is 5 and an is 78. शिफ्ट करें 3 को 78 प्लस 3 माइनस 3 हो जाएगा, इंटू 5 में 5 अपॉन में चला जाएगा, n minus 1 equals to 75 upon 5. 75 upon 5 is 15 और n equals to 15 plus 1 equals to 16. So a 16 equals to 78. This is answer. N equals to 16. Okay. Question number 5. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. First is 7, 13, 18 and 205. In this AP, the last term is 205 and first term is 7. We have to find how many terms in this AP. So A is 7, D is 13 minus 7, that is 6, and an equals to 205. So a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 205. So a is 7 and we have to find d is 6, 205. 7 को शिफ्ट करें तो n minus 1 into 6 equals to 205 minus 7. तो n minus 1 equals to 198 upon 6. 198 upon 6, 33. So n equals to 33 plus 1, that is 34. So 34 terms are in this AP. Now second part, 18, 15 and a half, 13 and minus 47. We have to find how many terms in this AP. So A is 18, D is 15 and a half minus 18. 15 and a half means 31 upon 2 minus 18. 2 is LCM, 31 minus 36 minus 5 upon 2, and an equals to minus 47. The nth term is minus 47. So a plus n minus 1 into d equals to minus 47. Okay, placing the value of a, d and an. A is 18 and find करना है, d is minus 5 by 2 equals to minus 47. शिफ्ट करें 18 को तो n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 equals to minus 47 plus minus 18. प्लस 18 शिफ्ट होगा minus 18 हो जाएगा. n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 equals to minus 65. minus 5 by 2 को शिफ्ट करें minus 5 by 2 मल्टीप्लाई में और यहाँ जाके वो डिवाइड में हो जाएगा. माइनस से माइनस कैंसिल हो गया, 5 1 जा 5, 13. तो n minus 1 equals to 26. तो n equals to 26 plus 1 equals to 27. Okay. Now question number 6. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. We have to check the minus 150 is a term of this AP or not. So let an equals to minus 150. So an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d equals to minus 150. A is 11 and find करना है, D is 8 minus 11 minus 3 equals to minus 150. Okay, D here A is 11 and D is 8 minus 11, that is minus 3. Okay, so n minus 1 into minus 3 equals to minus 150. 11 को शिफ्ट किया minus 11, n minus 1 equals to minus 161 upon minus 3. Minus minus cancel, n equals to 161 upon 3 plus 1. So n equals to 3 LCM 161 plus 3, 164 upon 3, 52 by 3. Since n is not a natural number, the value of n should be a natural number. N is not a natural number, so 54 and 2 by 3, so minus 150 is not a term of this AP. Now question number 7, find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 17. इसमें गिवन है A11 A plus 10D equals to 38. 10D. This is equation 1. And A16 A plus 15D equals to 73. Using elimination method to find the value of A and D, so minus 5D equals to minus 35. So D equals to 35 upon 5, 7. Placing the value of D in equation 1. So A plus 10 into 7 equals to 38. So A plus 70 equals to 38. So A equals to 38 minus 70, that is minus के 22. So A73 is, sorry, A31. We have to find 31st term. So A31 equals to A plus 30D. So A is minus 22 and D is 7. So minus 22 plus 210. So plus के 178. So its 31st term is 178. Now question number 8. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. This is question number 8. An AP consists of 50 terms. It means n equals to 50. Okay. Third term A3, A plus 2D equals to 12. This is equation 1. And the last term is A50. It means A plus 49D, because total terms are in this AP is 50. A plus 49 equals to 106. This is equation 2. Using elimination method to find the value of A and D, minus A plus A cancel, minus K 47D equals to minus K 94. So D equals to minus 94 upon minus 47, that is 2. Placing D equals to 2 in equation 1. So A plus 2 into 2 equals to 12. So A plus 4 equals to 12. So A equals to 12 minus 4. So A equals to 8. A 29. A plus 28D. A is 8. D is 2. So 8 plus 56. Answer is 64. 29th term is 64. Now question number 9. If the third term and ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? Question number 9. If the third term and the ninth term of AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? Solution हमने किया, इसका let किया, let nth term is 0. Okay, so A3 A plus 2D equals to 4 and A9 A plus 8D equals to minus 8 using elimination method. Okay, 2D minus 8D minus 6D equals to 12 and D equals to 12 upon minus 6. This is minus 2. Placing D equals to minus 2 in equation 1. This is, suppose this is equation 1, this is equation 2, and A 2 minus 2 equals to 4. A minus 4 equals to 4, so A equals to 4 plus 4. So A equals to, the first term is 8 and the common difference is minus 2. An is 0. A plus n minus 1 into D equals to 0. So A is 8 and फाइंड करना है, D is minus 2 equals to 0. 8 को शिफ्ट करें, n minus 1 equals to minus 8. minus 2 को शिफ्ट करें, मल्टीप्लाई में, डिवाइड में जाएगा. तो n minus 1 equals to 4. So n equals to 4 plus 1, that is 5. Which term of this AP is 0? तो fifth term of this AP is 0. Question number 10. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. We have to find common difference. Okay, 17th term exceed कर रहा है 10th term से. It means A17 minus A10 equals to 7. Okay, A17 means A plus 16D, A10 means A plus 9D equals to 7. A plus 16D minus A minus 9D equals to 7. A से A कैंसिल हो गया, 16D में से 9D लेस करेंगे 7D equals to 7. So D equals to 7 upon 7, that is 1. So common difference is is 1. Term. Try to understand this question. Which term of the AP 315 AP is this? will be 132 more than its 54th term, यानी कि 54th टर्म से 132 more than कौन सा टर्म होगा? We have to find solution. A54, A54 means A plus 53D, तो A is 3 and D is 12. A is 3 and D is 15 minus 3, that is 12. तो ये हो जाएगा 3 plus 12, 3 जा 36, 12 5 जा 60, 63. तो ये जाएगा 3 plus 6 39. तो A54 सपोज करो लेट an equals to A54 plus 132. तो A54 639 plus 132, this is 771. Okay, now A plus n minus 1 into D. Suppose let nth term is 771. So 771, A is 3 and find करना है, D is 12 equals to 771. So n minus 1 equals to 771 minus 3 upon 12. n minus 1 equals to 771 minus 3, 768 upon 12. तो 12 6 जा 72 and 12 4 जा 48, तो 64 आ जाएगा. n equals to 64 plus 1, n equals to 64. Two APs हैं, they have same common difference, or difference between their 1000 term is 100 term is 100. So what is the difference between their 1000 term? Okay, solution. Let the first term and the common difference of first AP be A and A1 and D respectively, and the first term and the common difference of second AP be A2 and D respectively. दोनों में D ऐड किया है बिकॉज कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम है और फर्स्ट टर्म दोनों के डिफरेंट लिए हैं, तो लिखेंगे डिफरेंस बिटवीन देयर 1000 टर्म 100 टर्म, डिफरेंस बिटवीन देयर 100 टर्म is 100. So A1 plus 99D minus A2 plus 99D, दोनों के 100 टर्म्स क्या होंगे? फर्स्ट एपी का A1 plus 99D होगा, सेकंड का A2 plus 99D होगा. तो A1 plus 99D minus A2 plus minus 99D equals to 100. A1 sorry 99D कैंसिल हो गए, तो A1 minus A2 equals to 100. Clear? This is equation 1. Now difference between their 1000 term. तो ये हो जाएगा A1 plus 999D minus A2 plus 999D. तो A1 plus 999D minus A2 minus 999D, ये कैंसिल आउट. So A1 minus A2 and A1 minus A2 is 100. तो डिफरेंस बिटवीन देयर 1000 टर्म्स will also 100. Okay. Question number 13. How many 3 digits numbers? How many 3 digits numbers are divisible by 7? देखो कितने ऐसे नंबर है 3 डिजिट्स के जो 7 से डिविजिबल है. ओके, तो 3 डिजिट्स numbers divisible by 7 are. So first number, the smallest number is 100 and greatest number is 999 of the 3 digits. Okay, so first number is 105 which is divisible by 107. Second is 112 and last is 994. So A is 105, B is 112 minus 105 is 7 and nth term is last term is 994. So A plus n minus 1 into D equals to 994. A is 105, n find करना है, D is 7 equals to 994. So n minus 1 into 7 equals to 994 minus 105. So 14 में 5 less than 9, 8 and 8. So n minus 1 equals to 889 upon 7. N minus 1 equals to 7 into 7 to the 14 and 7 7 the 49. N equals to 127 plus 1, 128. So 128 terms are the 3-digit number which are divisible by 7. Question number 14. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? ओके, सॉल्यूशन में देखिए, फर्स्ट मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 first multiple of 4 greater than 10 is 12 और first multiple of 4 less than 250 is 248. ओके, तो सीरीज क्या बन गई, एपी क्या बन गई, फर्स्ट इज 12, अदर इज 16 एंड लास्ट इज 248. तो A is 12, D is 4 and nth term is 248. Now number of terms is 248. So A 12, since A plus n minus 1 into D equals to an, so A is 12 and we have to find, D is 4, an is 248. So n minus 1 equals to 248. 12 को शिफ्ट करेंगे माइनस 12, इसको शिफ्ट करेंगे अपॉन में 4, तो n माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 236 अपॉन 4. तो n माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 4 5 20, 4 9 is 60, 36, sorry. So n equals to 59 plus 1, so n equals to 60. So how many multiples between 10 and 250 or 4? 60. For what value of n are the nth term for two APs 63, 65, 67 and 3, 10, 17 equal? So nth term of the AP 63, 65, 67 and so on will be nth term A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 63, n find करना है and D is 2. 63 plus 2n minus 2. तो 63 में minus 2 61 plus 2n. nth term is 61 plus 2n. Okay. अब nth term of the second AP. Second AP is 3, 10, 17 and so on. A is 3, D is 10 minus 3 is 7. So an equals to 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. So 3 plus 7n minus 7. So minus 4 plus 7n. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2 from 1 and 2. These are the equal. So 61 plus 2n equals to minus 4 plus 7n. Equating 1 and 2 कर सकते हैं. Equating 1 and 2. तो 61 2n minus 7n minus 4 minus 61. ओके, 7n को शिफ्ट कर दिया, 61 को उधर शिफ्ट कर दिया, तो minus 5n equals to minus 65. So n equals to minus 65 upon minus 5. That is 30. So 13th term of these two APs are equal. Question number 16. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Determine the AP whose third term is 16. Third term is 16 means A3 is 16. Third term 16, A3 16. So A plus 2D equals to 16. This is equation 1. And the seventh term exceed the fifth term is by 12. A7 and A7 minus A5 is 12. A7 means A plus 60 minus A plus 5D, 4D equals to 12. So A plus 6D minus A minus 4D equals to 12. A से A cancel, 6D में से 4D लेस करेंगे 2D, 2D equals to 12. So D equals to 12 upon 2. That is 6. Now placing D equals to 6 in equation first. So A is 8, D is 6, 16. So A plus A equals to 16 minus 12. So A is 4. Now AP is, first term is 4, add common difference, second term 4 plus 6, third term 4 plus 2 into 6, and so on. So 4, 10, 6 and 2, 6 to the 12 plus 4, 16, and so on. Question 17. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. 3, 8, 13 and 253. लास्ट टर्म से 20th टर्म, वी हैव टू फाइंड द 20th टर्म फ्रॉम द लास्ट टर्म. इस लास्ट टर्म से 20th टर्म हमें फाइंड करना है. तो वी कैन राइट AP's एज, इस AP को हम क्या लिख देंगे, रिवर्स करके लिख देंगे 253. देखो कॉमन डिफरेंस है कितना आ रहा है, 5 आ रहा है ना, तो -5 करके लिखेंगे. ओके, the last term is 3. okay, तो नंबर ऑफ A20 फाइंड करना है. यहाँ से लास्ट से 20th टर्म का मतलब A20 फाइंड करना है. तो A plus 19D, तो A is 253, D is -5, okay, और N is 20. okay, तो A is 253 plus 19 into -5, 253 minus 95. So this is 158 answer. Now question number 18. The sum of 4th term and 8th term of an AP is 24. And the sum of the 6th term and 10th term is 44. Find the first 3 terms of an AP. See solution. 4th term means A4, 8th term means A8 is 24. A4 means A plus 3D, A8 means A plus 7D equals to 24. So A plus A 2A, 3D plus 7D 10D equals to 24. Divided the equation by 2. So A plus 5D equals to 12. So dividing the equation by 2. Okay, this is equation 1. Now and A6 plus A10 equals to 44. A6 means A plus 5D. A10 means A plus 9D equals to 44. A plus A is 2A, 9D plus 5D, 14D equals to 44. So A plus 7D equals to 22. This is equation 2. Okay. Using elimination method, subtracting equation 2 from equation first, subtract करें. A plus 5D equals to 12, A plus 7D equals to 22. Minus 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 cancel. Minus 2D equals to 10, minus 10, so D equals to minus 10 upon minus 2, D equals to 5. Okay. Placing d equals to 5 in equation 1 में पुट करो a plus 5 into 5 equals to 12. A plus 25 equals to 12. So a equals to 12 minus 25. So a equals to minus 13. The first three terms are first is minus 13. माइनस 13 में प्लस 5 करें माइनस 8, फिर प्लस 5 करें माइनस 3. दीज आर द फर्स्ट थ्री टर्म्स ऑफ दिस. 95 में स्टार्ट किया वर्क और at annual salary of rupees 5000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach rupees 7000? Okay. स्टार्टिंग में एपी क्या बनी. स्टार्टिंग में फर्स्ट टर्म तो हो गया 5000, फिर 5200 एंड लास्ट में 7000. मींस ए इज फर्स्ट टर्म इज 5000, एन इज एन इज 700 एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस डी इज 200. एन इज 7000 सॉरी. an equals to 7000 means a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 7000. A is 5000, we have to find n. D is 200 equals to 7000. शिफ्ट करें 5000 को, n minus 1 into 200 equals to 7000 minus 5000. 7000 minus 5000 is 2000. n minus 1 equals to 2000 upon 200. So n minus 1 equals to 10. So n equals to 10 plus 1, 11. So in 11th year, his income reached rupees 7000. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week a year and increased her weekly saving rupees 1.75. In the nth week her weekly saving becomes rupees 20.75. We have to find n. Okay, it means first term is 5 and increment is d is 1.75. Increment, so d taking with d plus 1.75 and an equals to 20.75. So we have find n. So an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 20.75. a is 5, n find करना है, d is 1.75 equals to 20.75. तो शिफ्ट करें n को, सॉरी 5 को, और ये 1.75 अपॉन में आ जाएगा. सो n माइनस 1 इक्वल्स टू 15.75. 20.75 में से 5 लेस करेंगे तो 15.75 अपॉन 1.75. ओके, सो n माइनस 1 इक्वल्स टू, ये कैंसिल 25 से कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 25 7 जा और ये 25 6 जा और 3 जा एंड 9. So n equals to 9 plus 1, n equals to 10. तो 10th week में इसकी सैलरी, इसकी सेविंग है, वीकली सेविंग बिकम rupees 20.75. Okay, thank you. Don't forget subscribe my channel, my video. Thank you.